Maharaji, what is success? What is the key mantra of success? Is
This human life, the mind accompanied by the five senses, is attracted to the pleasures. And these pleasures are overpowering us. We have to get free from this. Getting liberated from the bondage of birth and death to which we are helplessly bound, to overcome lust, anger, greed, attachment, pride, and envy. That is to be free from the bondage of human life. Attaining God is success, and the fundamental mantra for this is the name of God, because it will purify the intellect, destroy sins, and give you inner strength, enabling you to follow this path. So the essence of love is this name. The root of love, the root of knowledge is the name itself. The more one chants the name, the more knowledgeable and loving one becomes, and the more one conquers the world. And if there is no devotion, then it's merely an indulgence of intellect which cannot overcome illusion. It cannot conquer these vices. It will keep falling into these vices repeatedly. Are you able to think about it?
How does the desire to chant a name manifest?
Chanting the name itself makes it happen. When we repeatedly chant the name, our desires also manifest in the name itself. The one who chants the name does not need any other means. Is not there. That desire will manifest, that interest will manifest. It will create the desire to meet God. It will unite with God by remembering the pure and holy name, keeps Ram under control. With the power of God's name, Hanumanji made God subordinate. There is great power in the devotion to God. Great accomplished saints emerge through the chanting of God's name. Everything will be revealed through chanting. Just try chanting the name. Take a vow in this lifetime that I will not stop chanting the name of God. Then see the change within you, how profound it is. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Understand, we repeatedly give examples of those who could not say Ram. Those who couldn't say Ram, Ram, they uttered Mara Mara. That is such a great scripture. The Valmiki Ramayana, and it's from Sanskrit. Just think, they composed our history from Sanskrit and reached the status of Brahma Rishi. There was no other means, only the means of the name. With only the name of God, Dhruv did jap with zeal and attained an unwavering, unparalleled position. Dhruv, with remorse, the mother, by slapping you, you became entitled to sit on the father's throne when from my womb. Whatever mother there was, there were two wives, Suniti and Suruchi. So Suniti's son was Dhruv. Suruchi didn't like it. Dhruv, immersed in remorse, chanted God's name and found unparalleled status. Even today, the position that Dhruv achieved is unmatched by any sage. A 5-year-old determined to chant the name obtained God. Prahlad overcame great calamities through the power of chanting the name. So we should chant the name. There is great strength in chanting the name, yes.